Part 2. Cause and Effects of Arctic Changes in Alaska. As discussed previously, global temperature changes are expected to continue to increase in the future. However, there is evidence which suggests that a combination of human indiscretions and atmospheric circulation are likely to blame for the rapid increase in temperatures in Alaska. Temperatures in Alaska have risen at double the frequency of the global average temperature. Due to this heating effect, Alaska, known for its frigid terrain and wildlife and fishing exports, is experiencing sea level rise due to thawing sea ice and thawing of permafrost, two factors which are likely to contribute to the deterioration of terrestrial ecosystems and the natural food chain. Additional research and recent warming trends, according to the atmospheric circulation reports, have identified the interconnection of the mid-latitude circulation with that of northern Alaska, which is thought to greatly contribute to the warming trend and vulnerability seen in the region. Understanding these findings forecasts the likelihood of relocation for Native Alaskans, as their livelihood and sustenance from living off the land will be greatly impacted by intense weather changes. Adaptability of not only non-human species, but humans alike, will be of great importance in order to survive climate changes in Alaska. Thus, education to promote new forms of trade and revenue, controlling the introduction of new non-native species, and protecting native wildlife with necessary resources, such as the polar bears, will become increasingly important for survival of climate change impacts in Alaska.